This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. So if your front load washing machine is making a lot of noise, one thing you can do is you can open up the door. We're also going to be replacing this pretty moldy gasket, but if you grab this part, the plastic, and you grab the metal part, you shouldn't be able to move that much. There shouldn't be much wobble. But we can see on this one, there's about almost a ½ inch of deflection. And that means that the rear bearing in the back is worn out. So expensive to repair that it's actually better to get a new machine. It'll still work for a while, but it'll be very noisy. And it also ends up leaking in the back. We can see a little bit better now how much play there is between the spin basket and the plastic tub. It's moving about that much. Should be basically no movement. It should be able to spin, of course, very easily, but it shouldn't have that wobble. That wobble is big trouble. I'm going to show you on the spin cycle when that spin basket's loose, the kind of sound it makes. So let's just take a second for it to get up to speed. You can hear a little banging coming from the back. That's the looseness and the shaft going into the rear bearing is it's bouncing around. So it's picking up speed, and usually when it gets up to high speed is when you really notice it, especially if you have some clothing in there. You're going to get this banging sound. You can hear the bangings coming from the back. It's louder and louder. Kind of banging around like that. If it's empty, you shouldn't be getting that much vibration. But that's how you know you have a bad rear bearing. At certain RPM, sometimes that noise will go away. So it'll still work, but it will wear out pretty fast. So it's okay to use it for light loads and medium loads for a few months. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.